Well, we thought we'd turn the cameras on ourselves to show how the BigAmbition project has started and come together. The project came about because we at eSkills identified that there was a shortage of young people going into the IT industry. It's growing at 5 to 8 times the national average, so we need more talent coming through into the jobs that are on offer. So what we're looking to do is to inspire more people to come through and demonstrate to them that IT is not just about sitting in front of a spreadsheet in a basement somewhere, but there's a diverse range of jobs, a load of different things you can get into, and that it's for pretty much anyone. The project was made a reality by going out and actually speaking to a lot of 14 to 19-year-olds, finding out what it was that was turning them off technology and why they weren't going into a career. Once we found that out, we started designing the program itself and thought the best route would be to develop a website. So we went out to source the best 2 companies for the job. We selected Milo and Simex based on their design pedigree and their experience in delivering sites like this.
The biggest challenge that eSkills set us was to create a website that would engage teenagers in technology. Our job was really to not only create a useful website, but to create a website that was really quite cool for teenagers. We've involved as many companies as possible from the technology sector, and we're making films like this to showcase what it is like to work in various companies. And we also created a series of applications that enable young people to really see how they fit into the technology sector.
I was in charge of the concept of the site until the realization of the wireframe, which basically is what you see here, is a skeleton of the website. From this point, we work on a prototype, which was mainly for playing around with functionality. It's a way to get the user interaction right, basically.
My work is basically how to work that skeleton, the initial design, up to a fun standard, which means dropping in colors, thinking about backgrounds, shiny buttons, all this kind of stuff. And I worked together with Kate actually to come up with really cool background tiles for the website, so we can basically, change the look of the whole site with the click of a button.
This one's a sort of glammed up, blinged up sort of version of icons you would normally associate with computer-based activities or games-based activities. So I just tried to put a bit of a spangly slant, normally not so exciting little icons that you get to see every day.
I did the wireframe for the 3 Flash applications, and then coding the application, creating the software, the instructions, so that when user clicks we know what to do and how to react to it.
We have developed 3 Flash activities that will help young people and students to choose the right job for them in the future. It tells you basically what type of person you are. At the same time, it's giving me a list of matching jobs based on the type of person that the program understood I am.
When we received the wireframes and designs from Milo, after that we delivered a technical solution that was agreed and worked around together with Milo and eSkills.
I was programming the logic behind the site, so examples being the registration system, exactly how that works. But also I was involved with kind of integrating the design as well, so you had the designers would come up with your really funky designs, and then we had to make them work into the site and make sure that technically it was a very feasible solution.
Building a BigAmbition, probably one of the most interesting projects I've worked on. I certainly haven't seen this mix of technologies joined together for one project. and for that reason it's very unique. And the great thing about it is we've built it in such a way that it's easy to change.
One of the challenges of the project was for all of us to work together, to marry the requirements from the client, as well as Milo working on one end and Cimex working on another, integrating so that everything comes together as a great website.